just woke up. We're headed downstairs to get ready for honor school day.
Don't you want to live out your wildest dreams? 'Cause right now we've got everything that we need. No time to waste, no better place to be. 'Cause we could wander as far as
We've just been hanging down here. We made the fire. It's almost time for me to bring him back to his dad so that I can put some recycling out. It's amazing how fast things build up when you've got a little baby around to hold and nurse and nap. Boy, it is cold out here. I want to say it's definitely below freezing. The cars look a little frosted. Whew, my goodness. The moon's out. Probably can't see it. Oh, there it is. I've been wanting to be getting up earlier in general, so well, now I have Brooks. He's my little alarm clock.
let's get lost in the great unknown.
I hear Brooks upstairs, so I better go get him. But first, we're gonna throw a log on the fire.
Sure, not to take every chance, and I think we should do it all while we can. So follow my lead, pick up your feet and dance. It's never too late to tear out the page. Let's make a change of plans. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown. Yeah, I wanna take you with us.
Hi. Hi.
See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the. Let's get lost. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way.
Are you gonna growl? Are you gonna growl to me? Oh, look at you. Oh no, we gotta keep our hand there. Hi. Brooks, what are you doing? Where are you rolling to? You're gonna roll off. Brooks woke up from his nap. He's pretty happy. He allowed me to fold a little laundry, write a few things down I wanted to write down, right? I'm gonna get a little bit of food. He's already had some mango today, so he might not have any other mango. Any other food. Then we're gonna pick up Honor in, gosh, what, a couple hours at this point, I think. Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? So Honor's in 4th grade, and I probably drive her to school at least 3 out of the 5 days during the week, if not 4 out of the 5. And then I pick her up every day, and my window of time to do things feels like, when I was thinking about it during the summer, it's like, oh, okay, she'll be back in school, it'd be a little more relaxing. The reality is just that window of time tends to go pretty fast. You know, no matter what your situation is, no matter how busy you are, you always wish you could get more done. So that's all I'm pointing out and bringing up. And Honor's super happy in school, so that's like a high priority. And Brooks is healthy and happy and growing, so I can't really complain in terms of the fact that my family, my kids are happy and healthy. So I love you. Are you gonna play here for a minute? Here he is. Hi. Are you ready to go get Honor? Should we go get Honor?
For 5 by itself. And then there's a 5 and a 5. And then you have to circle ones that are fractions.
I see.
So easy. Mom, why are you recording me? There's only one way to make 7. So
Right.
only one.
That's what makes it a what? A prime.
Prime number.
There you go.
And a perfect number, 6 is a perfect number.
What makes it perfect?
So, Mom. So, you know how... Mom, will you sing? We want to sing my guy. Let us fight the dragon. Hey ho, nobody home, no eat, no drink, nobody home, no get, no drink, no money, have I no, never will be nobody home.
Sing what?
Me rises to realize where to go when autumn is gathered, when leaves fall gently. Grass grows, how graceful, how plainly tends the horse through its music has played with for if mama so can an apple, a pizza, plum, or a cherry, anything you want that will make us so merry. And 1 for a peach and 2 for a plum. A skeleton rattles in the closet, spooked by a ghost of a day. And goosebumps shiver again. Brooks and I are off to bed. Sweet dreams and thanks for watching. Good night.
It could be if life was an open road.